In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Visual Studio Code with GitHub using GitHub Desktop. By the end, your editor and GitHub Desktop will be working together smoothly so you can jump from your repositories straight into coding with a single click. Before we start, make sure you have both GitHub Desktop and Visual Studio Code installed. It also helps to have Git already configured on your machine. If either app is brand new, open it once so it can complete setup. That ensures GitHub Desktop can detect your editor correctly. Begin by opening GitHub Desktop. This is where we'll link your preferred editor and your shell. Look at the top left menu and select File, then choose Options. On some systems, you may see Preferences instead of Options. It's the same place where settings live. Inside the Settings window, go to the Integrations section. This is the hub for connecting GitHub Desktop with external tools. You'll see a drop-down labeled External Editor. Open that list and choose Visual Studio Code. This tells GitHub Desktop which editor to launch whenever you want to edit files from a repository. If you don't see Visual Studio Code listed, confirm that it's installed and up to date, then try reopening GitHub Desktop so it refreshes the list of available editors. Once it appears, select it and you're set on the editor side. Next, choose a shell. In the shell dropdown, you can pick Command Prompt, PowerShell, Git Bash, or configure a custom shell. Here's how to decide quickly. Command Prompt is the classic Windows terminal and is simple if you only need basic commands. PowerShell offers powerful scripting and is great if you're comfortable with modern Windows tooling. Git Bash provides a Unix-like environment with many familiar Git and developer utilities. It's a solid choice if you follow tutorials that use Linux or Mac OS commands. Configure Custom Shell is for advanced setups, where you want GitHub Desktop to open a specific terminal application, for example, a portable shell or a specialized profile. Choose the one that matches how you prefer to work in the command line. When you're happy with your selections, click Save. That's it. Your choices are stored, and GitHub Desktop will now launch Visual Studio Code as your external editor and open the terminal you selected whenever you trigger those actions. From here on, editing a repository from GitHub Desktop will feel seamless. You'll keep your focus in one place, reduce friction switching tools, and get to coding faster. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly connected setup.